Join SUNTECH and revolutionize your quality control with our AI fabric inspection machine. Engineered specifically for woven textiles, reaching high-speed inspection of up to 80 meters per minute. Equipped with front and rear high-resolution cameras for comprehensive, high-speed, and stable detection. Every defect is automatically uploaded with detailed logs, including location, type, size, and full-color imagery. Achieve over 90% accuracy with a leakage rate of less than 2%, significantly boosting your QC performance. For high-volume woven production, our AI system balances rapid output with uncompromising quality. Upgrade your efficiency and quality with SUNTECH AI. Contact us today for your custom solution.